there lived a king who had three beautiful daughters. The king strictly forbade his daughters from leaving their rooms at bedtime. Strangely, every morning they woke up with broken shoes, as if they had danced all night. The king had to give them new shoes every day, but it keeps repeating itself.
How could the shoes be damaged overnight?
Neither the king or his men in the castle could solve the mystery. Finally, the king announced it.
Whoever can solve the mystery of the shoes of my daughter can marry the daughter of his choice and become king after I die. But he only has 3 days and 3 nights to solve it, otherwise he will be imprisoned for the rest.
Many residents in the kingdom and even princes from other kingdoms to solve the mystery. But after a few days, no one could solve the mystery. Finally, a kind-hearted young man wanted to try it, so he went to the castle. On the way, he met a dirty and poor grandmother.
Son, I'm very hungry. What you give my a piece of bread?
The young man gave all the food in his bag to the grandmother. The grandmother knew that this young man was good and different from other young men. In return, the grandmother gave a magic rope.
Take this magic rope. When you wear it, you will become invisible. At 12 o'clock at night, put on the robe and go into the princess' room. The way you can solve the mystery, but be careful. Don't doing anything the princess give you.
The young man took a magic rope and went to the castle. On the first day he was courting outside the princess' room, the eldest princess came out with a glass of tea.
You must be thirsty, we made tea for you.
The young man forgot grandmother's warning and drank it. Soon he became sleepy. He fell asleep all night in the room that had been prepared for him. In the morning, the young man woke up in a panic.
I should wear a magic robe and go into the princess' room.
On the second day, he stood quiet outside the princess' room. The middle daughter came out carrying a glass of juice. The young man was so thirsty that he drank all the juice. The next morning, he remembered grandmother's message.
There must be sleeping pills given by the princess.
On the third day, he stood quiet outside the princess' room. The youngest princess came out of the room carrying a glass of water. But the young man realized. He took the glass. After the princess left, he threw the drink onto a nearby plant. Midnight arrived, he put on the robe to become invisible and entered the princess' room. The young man saw the princess wearing a beautiful and neat dress. The eldest princess pushed her bed and there was a secret passage under her bed. All the princes walked through a secret passage and the young man followed behind. They reached the forest and passed a tree with beautiful silver branches. The young man took a twig and followed the princess. Finally, they arrived at the river bank. On the river bank, there were three princes who were waiting for the arrival of the princess with their tires. The young man climbed onto the last tire. After crossing the river, they arrived at a large castle. When entering the castle, the princess started dancing. They kept dancing until their shoes broken. The princess danced until morning. They rode a targ across the river. Walked through the forest, but their shoes were broken.
Your time ends today. Have you solved the mystery of the shoes?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The young man told everything to the king. The king did not believe it at first. Then the young man showed him a silver twig from the forest. Then the king allowed the young man to marry one of his daughters. The young man said he wanted to marry the middle daughter. The princess were not happy because their secret was revealed. And finally, the young man and the middle princess and life in the kingdom lived happily even after.